So earlier on, ride on the bike and that, I spotted this, put out for the scrap and that. It's missing the box, you know, but I think somebody might actually appreciate me cutting the garden with this. A Cool Cast Classic Petrol 35S. Well, do you know what? I've not even tried to start it yet, but I think I'm gonna do a video on starting it. Well, I hope. Never say never. I don't think I'm gonna have a problem, truth. It's just an engine. And engines are just engines. This will work for me, he says. What can go wrong? He says. Yep, so I'll give it a little bit of a clean on the top. So I'll have that spark plug out for definite. But I think the first job is definitely the carb. Where's the carb? There's the carb. Now look there. I need a quick look, but it looks like we've got a release valve. Might be wrong. Let's have a look. See if we can get this started on a one day thing. We'll see. I'll be back. Yeah, so we got a 14mm. Well, we're going to take the spark plug out. Let's have a look at this. Oh, there's a bit of corrosion there, isn't there? Give that a bit of a wire brush. Maybe get a little bit of oil in there, you know. And just get this lubricated back up. It's probably dirty petrol, that is, you know, sitting in there with the water. But we'll see when we take the bottom of this carb off. And I will be doing that in a minute. So I've been looking at this rod. And you know, when I put my finger against this, I told you I took the petrol tank off. It's water. Yeah, that's water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my video up, my camera up, and I'm going to grab this carb off because water's no good, is it? Now listen, I ain't got no electrolysis machine or nothing, so I'm cleaning this manually. So yeah, I'm going to set the camera up and show you what I do to make it run properly. Well, make it run properly. I ain't even bleeding tried it. Shall I put a bit of petrol in here first and try it? See if it starts. Or will that pump water from out? Yes, it will. No, it won't, because I ain't got the fucking... I ain't got the fuel feed. Oh, yeah, it will. Alright, so let's get the bottom of the bowl off first. Oh, I think this is going to be bad. Oh, that's a... Oh, my days. It looks like someone's been bloody sick in there. So I'm going to have this all off and clean all the jets and stuff, so I will show you. I'll show you what I do. And hope it's easy. You know when you just know it's not going to be. We'll see. Okay. Wow. Now what do I use to clean it all? You know, because I'm a tight git, innit? So I actually use nitro fuel. I just soak it in it and then let it dry off. Seems to work for me. So I'll show you anyway. You'll see. You'll see. Okay, so clean the bolt. I use no fucking chemicals or nothing. It's just clean, isn't it? This was the other thing. This was full of shit. I mean, full of dirt. Now you see, there's an hole going through there, hole going through the top. So we've cleaned it. Now I ain't done nothing else with the carb. If you have a look. I'm just going to try it with some fuel. Some of these just fire the the dirt through and then it's going to run. Do you know what I mean? So I believe that I'm going to get this screwed back on, right? And then I think, what would be the harm in trying it? Throw a bit of fuel in the spark plug, as my other son would say, the piston head, and let's give it a try, innit? I feel like painting it a different colour though, you know, Garrett, yellow. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get this down, and I'm going to get some petrol in the head, and then I think showed you already the spark plug's loose. I told you I took it out. It's not too bad, you know. That gap's like Jewop's teeth. He's got gaps like that. Right, let's get some fuel in there.
Where is it?
Right, 1 minute, I've got to find the fuel. Oh, hang on, we got a bit. Let's just get a. No, just throw a bit in there. A bit more. Yep. Oh, they do. Please, YouTube, if you can hear that music, please don't copyright me on that, man. I'm in the garden. I'm locked down as shit, man. Right, now is it gonna start? Nope. 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 Still no. Yes. Yeah, it is going to start, and it is going to run when I get some fuel in it. Right, I'll be back. I'm going to make sure this fuel tank's clean. And I'm going to get it back on. Let's get some fuel in it, and let's see where we're going with this. Whoa. Yeah, so what we're going to do is just screw this back on. Petrol tank back on. Alright, so now what we need to do is put the pipe back on. And we're on. I'll get my son to do this clamp in a minute. Then we're going to put some fuel in and let's see if it starts and how it runs. Yep. Well, no, let's check the oil. Yep, give me a minute. I'm going to check all this oil and that. So, I'm going to go for the clamp myself. And it's gone straight back on. So, now I've got the tank back on. So now all I need to do is fill the tank. But, truth, I ain't got the fuel today. So that's part one of the video. Tomorrow, we're going to fill it, see if it runs, and if it runs, I will take it and try it on some grass, you know, see how it cuts. I know I ain't got the box yet, but that don't really matter, does it? We'll see how it goes, see how it cuts. I might even have to have the blades cut. Do you know, I don't know. Never had one of those. If not, take the engine off. Is that one a goat cart? Because it's on the chain. Oh yes. So, before I clean it up, I want to see it run. I ain't spending loads of time cleaning shit up if it's not going to run. So, let's see what happens here. Back with you on part 2, next few days. Now, I wanted to show you something else that I noticed. We got one oil here. I believe this is engine on the back, and then we've got another one here. I believe this might be for the rotors, you know, back wheel and stuff. I'm going to have to check that out before I go any further. Is it different oil? Is it the same oil? Is it just 4-stroke engine oil? I don't know. So, if anyone could advise me on that, you know. I'm going to check the levels in a minute anyway. See how clean or dirty it is. So, I'll show you. Just give me 2 minutes. I'm going to find a screwdriver on 2 days. 1 minute. 2 minutes. Well, 5. So the first oil I'm going to look at is the back one. I don't know what this is. Yep. Oh. Remember, I've had this lamp back, so give that a bit of a wipe. What oil have we really got in out? Oh, come on. So a lot of fucking loads. So I might need to empty some of that out. That seems a bit excessive. Let's give this a clean. How much does it want? I don't think it needs that much in it, for truth. I can't even, minimum, maximum, and it's well above that, so I'm going to take some of that out. I'll get that back down to the minimum, or I'll check it again tomorrow. Alright. God, this is awkward. Oh, I'm glad that was blooming loose. Let's have a look. Oh, I'm going to have to clean that now. I can see there's oil in there. I don't know if you can see, but I'll get a torch and show you. Let me just clean this off.